In this video, I will show you how to download and install a snipping tool in Windows 11. If you want to download and install snipping tool without any error, watch this video till end. Snipping tool is a screenshot software that is used to take screenshot in Windows 11. For downloading it, simply open Microsoft Store. Here I am searching Microsoft Store. Then press enter. Here Microsoft Store will be open. Then press snipping. When you search snipping in search bar, here you will find snipping tool. Click this logo. When you click this logo, here you will find get option. I have already downloaded snipping tool. But you haven't downloaded it, here you will get option. When you click get option, snipping tool will be started for downloading. If you want to know more about snipping tool, here you can see its screenshot, how it looks like after install, description, editing and reviews, features, what is new in this version, system requirement, additional information and many more things. When you click open, snipping tool will be open and now you can use it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any query, ask in comment box.